Hi kids, welcome to Little Ones TV. Today we'll be making Play-Doh ice cream. So kids, I'm going to get one scoop of each ice cream and you tell me which color they are. So let's get started. This is a nice flavor. It's vanilla. But kids, talking of vanilla, do you know which color this is? Good job, you've done it. I'm going to put it in the ice cream. There. Let's get another scoop. This is strawberry flavor. But do you know which color this is? Fantastic! You knew it! It is pink! Now let's see the next color. Kids, do you know which color this is? The flavor is, can you guess what I'm saying? Because this color has two oranges. That's right, orange. I'm going to put it in the ice. You are so clever, you know. I'm going to get another scoop. Ooh, this is a very nice color. Do you know which color this is? The flavor of this ice cream is plum. Do you know which color this ice cream is? Good! It's purple! I'm going to put the purple ice cream in the Let's get the next color. Ooh, this is a very, very fantastic color. Do you know which color this is? It's strawberry, but which color it is? Good, it is pink. It looks a bit like purple. Look, it has a flower on it. Put it in the jar. Get the color. Ooh, this color is a bit like pink, but it's not pink. It's called a different color. It's called, can you guess what I am saying? Or which color this is? Yep, correct. It is peach. Well, I'm going to put the peach ice in the jar. Now, next, please. Hello, ice cream. What's your color? Wow, you are such a superstar. It's dark green. I'm going to put one more scoop. What color is this? Wow, it's bright yellow. I'm going to put the bright yellow icing in the jar. Kids, this is the biggest ice cream you have ever seen. Oof. Ugh, this is also heavy. Let's see the size. Whoa. This is much bigger than all the other ice creams. But what color is this ice cream? Wow, you are indeed so clever. I'm going to put the biggest ice cream on the top. Sorry, yellow. Oops. Wow, I'm going to enjoy this yummy treat. I'm not really going to eat it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed watching my video. Bye!